In 2026, the Lexus LC 500 Coupe returns as one of the most breathtaking luxury grand tourers on the planet, combining futuristic design, next-level performance, and unmatched craftsmanship. From the very first glance, this car is an instant head-turner, its sleek silhouette sculpted with flowing lines that look like they were carved by the wind itself. The exterior styling is sharper, wider, and more aggressive than before, but it still retains that unmistakable LC elegance. The front fascia is dominated by a reimagined spindle grille, now more three-dimensional, with intricate mesh detailing, flanked by razor-thin LED headlights that give the car a piercing, high-tech stare. Every angle of this coupe reflects precision, from the muscular rear haunches to the low-slung roofline that sweeps gracefully into the back, finished with futuristic taillights that stretch across the width of the car in a striking light signature. Under the hood, the 2026 LC 500 keeps what enthusiasts love most about it, the naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8. This engine is a rarity in a world dominated by turbochargers and hybrids, and Lexus made the bold decision to keep it alive. Producing around 480 horsepower, the V8 delivers a soundtrack that is nothing short of symphonic, a deep and thunderous growl that builds into a soaring roar as you climb through the revs. Paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, shifts are crisp and responsive, sending power to the rear wheels for an authentic, driver-focused experience. The acceleration is thrilling, taking you from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. But the LC isn't about brutal speed alone, it's about balance, poise, and the emotion of driving. Step inside the 2026 LC 500, and you enter a world of pure luxury, where traditional craftsmanship meets modern innovation. The cabin is a masterpiece, with hand-stitched leather, Alcantara accents, and real metal trim creating a sense of artistry rarely seen in modern cars. The seating position is low and sporty, wrapping the driver in comfort, while still giving a commanding view of the road. Lexus has updated the interior with the latest digital technology, including a wide, high-resolution infotainment display that seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced AI-powered navigation. A fully digital instrument cluster adapts to different drive modes, while an immersive Mark Levinson premium sound system transforms the cabin into a private concert hall. Despite being a sports coupe, the LC 500 remains surprisingly practical, with enough comfort for long-distance touring and a cabin that feels tailor-made for its driver. On the road, the 2026 LC 500 Coupe blends grand touring comfort with precision handling. The adaptive suspension system has been refined to deliver smooth rides over rough pavement while tightening up when the car is pushed through corners. Steering is sharp, confidence-inspiring, and direct, while the chassis feels planted even at high speeds. Lexus engineers have perfected the balance between luxury and sport, making the LC just as enjoyable on a winding mountain road as it is on a long highway drive. The LC 500 isn't just a car, it's a statement. In an era where electric powertrains and autonomous technology dominate the headlines, this coupe reminds us of the emotional connection between driver and machine. It's a celebration of raw performance, timeless design, and handcrafted luxury. The 2026 Lexus LC 500 Coupe isn't about following trends. It's about standing apart, offering something truly special for those who demand more than just transportation. It is a future classic in the making, and for enthusiasts, it represents the very essence of what a luxury grand tourer should be: powerful, elegant, and unforgettable.